I hope you enjoy these quick sessions. Tall through the spine. We're going to take a step back and stretch the hip flexors. So front knee stays above the ankle, back leg, the heel is off the mat, and we drop the weight down through the center. Keep the chest up and open, and we're going to lift the arms up by the ears and reach. Head and neck stay in neutral. Keep breathing. From here, we're going to sweep the hands forward and put the fingertips by the toes. Keep the belly button scooped in and lift up and reach and stretch. Swoop down, bring the fingertips by the toes. Sweep up, stretch. 2 more, down by the toes. Sweep up and stretch. Last one, bring it down by the toes. Sweep up and stretch. Bring the arms down, step forward, step back with the left leg. So the front knee again, knee above ankle. Weights drop through the center. Core engaged, shoulders relaxed. Reach the arms up by the ears. Reach and stretch. Keep the belly button scooped in. Fingertips come down by the toes. Sweep the arms up and stretch. Bring them down by the toes. Sweep them up and stretch. Bring them down by the toes. Last 2. Sweep them up and stretch. Bring them down by the toes. Sweep them up and stretch. Bring the arms down. Step feet together. Shoulder roll. We're going to take the legs wide. Engage the core. Squeeze the glutes. Just tuck the tailbone in slightly. Bring the arms in front. We're just going to squat down. Keep breathing. Shoulders relaxed. Pulse for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push up. Arms come down. Tall through the body. Arms come back. Come back down. Alternate heels. Both heels lift. Breathe, smile. Pulse for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring the arms down, give the legs a shake. Okay, we're going to come and sit down onto the mat. If you enjoyed that video, why don't you have a look at one of the longer sessions?